favorite friends today are going to draw Eyeshadow Kit.
Yeah, I'm really familiar with these, so it's going to be a lot of fun. I don't know what I'm doing. Do you? You got eyeshadow on, don't you?
No.
You don't?
No.
You usually like to put some on.
Yes.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. We're using our markers and we have Sharpies, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
We thought it would be fun to switch up our art supplies and use Sharpies once in a while and also different markers to color with because we know some of our art friends don't have our Art for Kids Hub markers. And we also want to show them that you can use any art supplies.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh, thanks. Okay, now let's start by drawing a big rectangle shape for the compact. Or we're going to draw an L, a letter L. So I'm going to draw it coming down and then across the bottom.
This is a big eyeshadow kit.
Yeah, it's going to be life size.
Oh.
And then we're going to draw an upside down L to connect and complete our rectangle shape. There you go. Yes, and connect. A rectangle. Okay, now let's connect right across the middle. Then we're going to draw a mirror up here at the top. We're going to draw another L shape for a rectangle going the other direction. And we're making it small so that we have a border around it. And we can draw an upside down L just like you're doing for the top. There's our mirror. Okay, now let's draw another rectangle down here. This is a fun lesson to practice rectangles. We're going to draw it the same size. And we'll draw the upside down L. Now this is for all of the colors that we're going to have in our kit. So let's draw 2 lines going down. You already know what we're doing. And then 1 line across the middle. How many eyeshadow colors do we have?
6.
6, yes. 3 on top, 3 on the bottom.
Oh, no, actually 7, because including that one.
No, that's a mirror.
Aw.
What should we draw next?
The eyeshadow tool.
Yeah, the applicator thing. I think that's what Mom said it's called, an applicator. We can call it the tool, eyeshadow tool.
Because that's way easier to say.
Yeah, that's easier. Okay, let's draw another rectangle shape. We're going to draw a really tall one on the side, but short on this width. Oh, I like that you went up. Oh, you're drawing it the other way. I like that. And we're going to connect it. Then we need the little foam pieces. Let's draw an oval shape on the top and an oval shape on the bottom to match.
I don't think this is life size.
It looks like it could be life size.
It looks bigger than life size.
Yeah, this is pretty big. I'm also going to add a little design right here, or extra detail. We should add our face in the mirror. Well, your face. I'm not going to be putting eyeshadow on, so I'm going to draw a different face right here. We could just draw a cartoon face right in the middle. I'm going to draw a happy smile, and then, I'm going to draw open too, and my favorite face. I'm going to draw teeth on the bottom and the top. Oh, I like that you're changing yours. And our art friends could change theirs too. I'm going to color in the back of the mouth. And then let's draw eyes. We're going to draw a circle on the left and a circle on the right. Oh, yours is winking. And highlights. Or a small circle in the top left to make the eyes look shiny. And then let's color in the big circle. What else should we add to the eyes?
Eyelashes.
Eyelashes. I'm going to draw 3 eyelashes on each eye.
I can only draw 1. I'm just
Oh, okay. We did it. We finished drawing our eyeshadow compact, except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part will speed up. But remember, you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You can also match our coloring at the very end or
color it differently.
Yeah, let's do it. Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our eyeshadow compacts. They look awesome. Especially love the colors you picked out. Those are really pretty.
Thank you. I also like her cheeks.
Yeah, they're super cute. And we also added makeup to the applicator, and you could even add more details. I added hinges. What else could our friends add?
background.
Oh yeah, you could draw more makeup in the background. That would be really cool.
We hope you have fun drawing eyeshadow.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.